Let's talk about how to complete a demand schedule and a demand curve. In this demand schedule, you will notice that price is increasing from 50 cents to $1.50, $2, 2.50, 3 and 3.50. So based on the law of demand, what do you think is going to happen to quantity demanded? Hopefully you said it is going to decrease. So at 50 cents, there are 12 of whatever it is that we're talking about. So let's just call them widgets. Um, they are going to be 12 demanded at 50 cents. And $1.50, we have 10, $2 at 8. So if you'll notice, price is increasing, but quantity demanded is decreasing as the price goes up. At 250, there's only 6 demanded. At 3, there are 4 demanded. And at 350, there are going to be 2 demanded. So this is called a demand schedule. So, based on that, let's look at our demand curve. Now, in order to do this demand curve, we have to take that same demand schedule, which is right here, and we're going to plot it on this curve. But first, we have to label each of the axes. So we're always going to start at 0, and then we're going to go up 50 cents, a dollar, $1.50, 2, 2.50, 3, and 3.50. And if you'll notice, 3.50 up here is the same as 3.50 down there. All right, so that was the price axis. Now we have to do the quantity demanded axis, and we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And again, that matches this right here. And you don't want to do it backwards. Like you don't count backwards on a number line. So you always have to start at 0. All right. So based on this, if you'll notice at 50 cents, there are 12 demanded. So at 50 cents, there are 12 demanded. So you would put a dot right there. And then at $1.50, you have 10. And I'm just looking at this right here. Okay. $2, you have 8, 2.50, you have 6, $3, you have 4, and at 3.50 you have $2. So you have your dots, and I just left those lines in there to help you see what I was talking about. You put your demand curve in by connecting the dots, and then you label it with a D, meaning demand. So again, this is the demand curve right here. This is the demand schedule. You plot the points on the demand curve based on the points on a demand schedule.